Well, back from Sugar River, it's all dirty. Got real dirty.
That's how dirty the track was.
A little dirty. Yeah. Normally that's a nice metallic gold. Pretty dirty. But we also sprung a leak on the front tank, so now we're busy working on that. Last year we added another brake caliper in the back, running the big vented disc brake. Looks like we need to bleed the brakes a little bit too.
Oh, right there. Where we need to be.
Mm-hmm.
For that.
It looks like the leak is right coming from the sump area. There's our brake setup. No, we also cable that. For additional safety, you're running 40-45 horsepower in a rear engine. They never have enough brake, and it's always a good idea to be safe. Yeah, people ask, did I really have brain surgery? And the answer to that question is yes, I did. Back in 2015, I did have brain surgery. I am missing all of my left side balance. That nerve has been terminated. It's just dangling inside my head. I also lost all the hearing in the left ear. I don't have the cochlea in the left ear anymore. So I'm 100% deaf in the ear too. So yeah, then the answer to that is yes. I've had brain surgery. But then again, what's your excuse? I'm driving this with half of my balance. There's a lot of people not doing that. Maybe I'm a little nutty. I got 6 screws in my head, so I got probably 6 screws that are loose too. Yeah, it's only about, what, 95 degrees out here while we're doing all this, so a little warm. But we're getting ready for VKA Brodhead coming up. Second week of July, right after 4th of July weekend. So if you want to be someplace where there's a lot of cool racing karts like this one, that's the place to be. So be there. You got no excuse. You've been forewarned.